Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Notion API integration for a habit tracker app, beginner guide step by step clearly. To set up the Notion API integration for a habit tracker app, start by creating a Notion account if you haven't already. Once logged in, navigate to the Notion developers portal at notion.so/my-integrations. Click on the New Integration button to create a new integration. Fill in the required fields, such as the name of your integration, and select the workspace you want to use. Make sure to grant the necessary permissions that allow your integration to read and write to your Notion pages. After saving, you will receive an integration token. Copy this token and store it securely, as you will need it later to authenticate the API requests. Next, open Notion and create a new database for your habit tracker. Customize the database to include properties like habit name, frequency, status, and notes. Go back to your integration settings and share this database with your newly created integration by clicking on Share and selecting your integration from the options. In your habit tracker apps code, make sure to include a programming language that supports HTTP requests, such as Python or JavaScript. Use the copied integration token to authenticate your API requests when accessing the Notion database. To retrieve data from your database, send a GET request to the Notion API endpoint, specifying your database ID. You can find your database ID in the URL of your Notion database. To update or add new entries, send a POST request to the appropriate endpoint with the required data structure. Ensure your data structure matches the properties defined in your database. Test your API integration by checking if you can successfully read and write to your Notion database. If there are any errors, review your code and ensure your API requests are correct. Once everything is working smoothly, you can expand your habit tracker app by adding extra features for better user experience. By following these steps, you will have a functional Notion API integration for your habit tracker app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.